BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Just a quick video to let you know that if you are using Microsoft Excel online, that Microsoft has recently announced that as of the 1st of February 2023, you will now be able to automatically hide the ribbon in Excel for the web. Now, this feature was only available for desktop users up until this recent announcement. So if we just head over to Excel Online, here is the ribbon at the top of the page, as many of you will know who do use Excel. And starting the 1st of February, if we just head to the bottom right of the ribbon, which says Ribbon Display Options, and we click on that little drop-down menu, here we get Show Ribbon, Always Show, which is the default. And now, as mentioned, you can automatically hide the ribbon in Excel for the web, which, as mentioned, was previously only available for desktop users. And according to Microsoft, you can now set the ribbon to automatically hide to focus on the content and the grid. So basically just giving you a little bit more screen real estate, which I think is a nice move in the right direction. And then you can also expand and access the ribbon whenever required. And you can do that by just hovering over the top of the spreadsheet, head into the right of the ribbon again, click on the menu, Always Show, and that places things back to how they were. Now, this feature is starting to roll out the 1st of February, which is today in my region. So if you're not seeing the automatically hide option now for the ribbon in Excel Online, then I'm sure you will be getting it sooner than later, as it is on a controlled rollout, and Microsoft says that it will become more widely available through the month of February 2023. But just want to let you know that if you are using Excel, especially the online version of Excel, that you can now always show or automatically hide the ribbon in Excel for the web. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.